What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over GameStop and AMC stock and why I believe we are getting close to the bottom. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do keep you guys updated on GameStop and AMC stock. So today, GameStop is down 7% as I'm making this video at $22.36. Only 4 million shares traded. And the reason why it's going down so much is because the whole stock market is crashing, and it is crashing very hard. SPY has dropped from $613 down to $559 within the past 2 or 3 trading weeks. Today it's down 3%, absolutely insane. And because of this, I mean, every stock is red, almost every single stock. If we take a look at AMC though, it is holding its ground here at $3. We still haven't made a lower low than $2.95, and we still may have this double bottom here at around $3. It's very possible. It's good to see. It's good to see that the whole market is crashing and burning in hell, while AMC is chilling at $3. In my opinion, this is definitely a buying zone. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but me personally, I am loading into a couple more shares at this level. But GameStop is now way below Roaring Kitty's average price. But GameStop is now way below Roaring Kitty's average price. On the daily, the RSI is at 32, but if we take a look at this here, this is hidden bullish RSI divergence. As you guys see, the RSI is going down. It's way lower than it was here when the price was at $20. The RSI was at 42. Now the price is at $22, but the RSI is at 32. So the RSI is going down, but the price has gone up. That is bullish hidden RSI divergence. And I'm not going to be surprised if we get a huge bounce off this level. As you guys know, every time there's a huge dip, there is a huge bounce. So I personally am expecting a bounce around this level, but it is possible, obviously, if the stock market keeps crashing, and it looks like it is going to keep crashing, that we see this $20 level one more time before I believe we get a huge squeeze move back to $50. And I believe that is going to happen when GameStop releases Q4 earnings, Q4 of 2024. I believe that's when they're going to announce some pretty crazy news. That's when they're going to announce the money they made off of crypto, or the money that they invested into crypto. But literally every single stock is red right now. And there's a saying, and it goes like this: when people are fearful, that's when you need to be greedy. So do whatever you want with that information. This guy said deep effing value has a cost basis of $23.41 for GameStop shares. Friendly reminder that GameStop has $5 billion of cash and no debt. Super flexible investment policy run by Ryan Cohen. Ryan Cohen takes no salary and bought all 36 million shares with his own money. GameStop is now net income profitable, largely off holding cash on balance sheet, but also as a result of only keeping profitable stores open. At Roaring Kitty, we only want one thing: open the box and give us a YOLO. So obviously a YOLO update from Roaring Kitty will literally send GameStop to the freaking moon. And that is because I am almost certain that Roaring Kitty has more shares than how much he had on his last YOLO update. His last YOLO update, he had like 9 million shares, I believe. If he reveals his portfolio and he has more shares than what he had on his last portfolio update, that is going to cause a huge squeeze. Not only that, but we saw what happened when the articles came out that GameStop was investing into Bitcoin. As soon as that article came out, GameStop jumped from $26 to $31 within 1 minute. So you guys could only imagine what's going to happen when they actually confirm that news. That itself is also going to freaking make GameStop squeeze. This guy said GameStop is finally at the zone where it can find support and bounce from here. Been waiting for it for a while. So we have the bullish hidden RSI divergence. It's been dropping ever since $34. From $34, we're back at 22. And this is definitely a spot where you can start accumulating shares, in my opinion. This guy said, when you short AMC at $3, you're a complete idiot, desperate, or both. AMC is literally trading at 30 cents before the reverse split. The all-time low is $2.38. And in my opinion, I don't believe we're going to make another low. I believe we are going to bounce off this $3 level. This guy said, AMC, did Grok just say AMC stock will moon? Grok effing rules, at Elon Musk. So under this post that said Delaware court rules AMC settlement shares as insurable loss, jury to decide insurance payout, This is beneficial to the company and shareholders. So this guy said, what does this mean for AMC and shareholders? Grok said, the Delaware court's ruling means AMC can potentially recover insurance payouts for using settlement shares, boosting the company's financial position. This could stabilize or increase AMC stock value, benefiting shareholders long term. Buckle up, apes. This is a win for the meme stock saga. So Grok literally said this March 8th, 2 days ago. So this definitely does look like a win. AMC trading at all-time lows. You could cry about it, or you could look at it as a buying opportunity. You guys already know how I am looking at it. This guy said, GameStop, if you can't tell what's happening, we'll spell it out for you. We have a market crash, which is what is happening right before our eyes. GameStop and Rand Cohen releases positive news, which I believe is going to happen on Q4 earnings. The stock moves up. Liquidity flows into the stock. GameStop goes higher. Roaring Kitty reveals his wild card, sends stock much higher, which forces shorts to start covering. The stock goes higher. Short squeeze begins. Naked shorts and corruption by short sellers is revealed. Doge goes after SEC and short sellers. No turning off the buy button this time. And the mother of all short squeezes begins as short sellers can't cover their positions because the shares they borrowed and need to return don't exist. Roaring Kitty and Ryan Cohen set the price target just up, and freaking cheers to everyone. So this is a pretty good theory of how it is going to happen, and it could happen very soon when GameStop releases the positive news that they freaking made a bunch of money off Bitcoin, or if they're invested into Bitcoin and they're holding it. That's just going to be huge for GameStop, and it is going to send the stock higher. We already saw what happened just off the rumors. It went to $31 within 60 seconds. After that, if Roaring Kitty were to reveal his portfolio and show that he's holding more shares, we're going even higher. Then the Doge SEC freaking comes down on those sick bastards, and then MOASS freaking happens. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. Q4 earnings is around the corner, and I believe that is going to start off the squeeze. We've already been crashing for so long, and any day now we are going to make the bounce. So I wouldn't even be mad if GameStop goes below $20 because it is just going to be a perfect longing opportunity, and I'm pretty sure all you guys are thinking the same exact thing. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, here we go.